Why, hello there.
Welcome back to Christ and Crafts, everybody. Today we're going to be learning about the Helmet of Salvation. So let's get into it. We're going to be getting into the next part of the series. Are you guys ready? Now, the Helmet of Truth isn't a gift that is usually talked about so commonly in the Bible. Like, obviously, you hear a lot about the Bible being your sword or your shield of faith, which we learned about in last week's video. If you want to go see that, you can go see it for the last one. Now, the helmet of salvation can be found in Ephesians 6, verse 17, which will be right here on the screen. And the helmet of salvation it's a reminder that we're saved. And in that, it helps us to purify our heart and our mind and guard our thoughts against the tactics of the enemy. For an example, when the enemy tries to tempt you, like, hey, I should go steal that candy. And that's your flesh and the Satan trying to get you to tempt you into sin. But the helmet of salvation reminds you that you're saved and that you don't have to fall into those thoughts and that you can honor God. Another example could be when you're learning to ride a bike and you don't want to get hurt while you're learning to ride it. Fortunately, you can wear your helmet to protect you. And in life, God is often like that. I myself have to use the helmet of salvation constantly because there's so many temptations in this world. The devil, he wants you to fall into sin and he wants to take your life. But fortunately, God has given us the tools to protect us from that. So, today we're going to be making the helmet of salvation. And I'll see you in the next part for the tutorial. So let's get into it. So, the first thing you're going to do for your helmet is you're going to need about 3 different pipe cleaners. They're all going to be the same color, but you can choose any color that you want for how you want your helmet to look. So the first thing that we're going to do is you're going to take one piece. Now, for whatever character that you want to put a helmet on, you're going to want to size it by the head. So how I'll be using Miles Morales. If I want my helmet to fit on his head, you're going to have to size it. And how you do that is you're going to take your blue or whatever pipe cleaner you're using. You're going to take it about just like that. And you're going to wrap around with 2 layers. So you know exactly how much you should have. So you should have a little bit left over so we can add a design in. So once it's almost touching at the ends like this, you're going to take the piece here and you're going to wrap it around. Just like that. And now you already have the foundation for what the helmet is going to be. Now you're going to want to keep the character that you're going to be putting the helmet on there at the entire time. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to cut this piece of blue off. I advise that you use scissors and not the style that I'm doing, but it also works too. So that's going to be the helmet. Next, you're going to take a piece of blue, the same piece that you just cut with, depending on how much you have left. I'm going to put it right here, just like that. And then I'm going to hold it right there. And where I have it like this, I'm going to wrap it with the remainder in there. And you're just going to wind it until you have a little bit left over. You're going to take that sharp piece, tuck it, and tuck it so that it's not cutting you or hurting you. Now we're going to take our next piece of blue. What I want you to do is you're going to take that one piece, take the tips together like this, measure it out, and fold it at the end so that it's perfectly even. Then, where that fold is in the middle, you're going to take it here, you're going to wrap it once, and then you're going to bring it to this side, like this, till it's about halfway up this piece of blue. You're going to wrap that once, bring it back up, wrap it once, bring it back down,
and it should look something like that. And then you're gonna wrap it. Make sure that this piece right here is still there. And you're just gonna wrap, wrap, and wrap until you have a little bit left. Take that sharp piece there, fold it the first time, like that. Make sure to watch your fingers and then tuck it in there. Now you're gonna do the same thing on this side. Take it a little bit up, wrap it around. This time though, since there's now blue, you're gonna thread it through the other side. Take that, thread it once, and then you're gonna bring it back one more time, just like this. And then you're gonna bring it there, tuck it in. And guys, we're basically almost done with the helmet. It's actually pretty fast. Now you're gonna take the character that you're using, measure it one more time. You're gonna bring this together, and then you're gonna take those pieces that you left here, and you're gonna anchor it down for the helmet. Just like that. And now to cover the back, you're gonna take the last of your blue. You're gonna do this about 1.5 fingers or half of a finger's length. You're gonna take this here, where the sharp piece is, wrap it around. And then right here where the helmet would be ending, you're gonna wrap this here. You're gonna thread it through. Just like this. You're gonna bring it back around, wrap one time, and then it should look like this in the middle. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna thread this blue piece through here, just like that. You're gonna bring it around to this side and thread it through. Now that you have the back piece installed, what you're gonna do is tighten that a little bit, and you're gonna wind this inward. You're gonna thread it once to secure it. One more time in the middle side. And one last time through here on the other side. And now the remainder you're gonna take and tuck through here. You're gonna take that sharp piece, fold it, and tuck it. And now guys, you're gonna press it down on all sides. You're gonna shape it. Any pieces that are sticking out, I want you to fold inward. This is where we call the sculpting phase. And just like that, you have a helmet for your character. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in next week's video. God bless.